So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and as always, I'm recording locally and streaming today on Twitch service. Let's check out the stream via my Vivaldi browser. Here we are. Let's listen to the music, sound, effects, whatever. Yes, perfect. Let's pause now and let me show you the system information via the terminal. Here it is. Rocky Linux 10.2, KDE Plasma of course, and we have been here in the past few days. More or less everything has been going well. You can take a good look at your own pace by pausing the stream or later on the video when it will be available on my YouTube channel. Pay attention to the screen resolution, which is 1440p. Basically 2880 by 1800, running at 120 Hz. Today I'm recording and streaming downscaled in full HD 60 FPS. Basically I'm going to have a stress test, so to speak. I'll try to run Final Fantasy XIV MMORPG Dawn Trail expansion once again while recording, streaming of course, and then I will try to load more apps and see how that will go, and then we'll keep on loading apps and going back in game, and see how that will perform. But before that, let me show you what is Rocky Linux 10.2, etc. We are using Vivaldi browser and DistroWatch web page at first. So back here, distrowatch.com. Rocky Linux is a community enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It is available for the x86-64 and ARCH-64 processor architectures. And then this is the official website, Enterprise Linux, the community way. Rocky Linux is an open source enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. You have seen the acronym of it most probably online, RHEL. Rocky Linux is under intensive development by the community, and they have plenty of versions on their site to download for various architectures and Rocky Linux 9, 8, etc. Pay attention which one you need and then download the one responsibly. And also they have their official Rocky Linux wiki, and this is the Rocky Linux Wikipedia page. Some good resources to read more about this Linux distribution. So yeah, let's start. Let's go inside the game, which is already in the background here. We'll log in inside the city hub called Limsa Lominsa. No time of the day, sorry. It doesn't matter what time or date you are going to log in this place. There are always people around, coming and going, sitting idle, doing stuff. So always busy place is all I'm trying to say. So we'll try to walk around, sprint a bit, then go outside the city and do some low-level killing mobs, and then run back in the city again and see how the system will perform while doing that. This is the first test ever on this computer, regardless of the Linux distribution that it is running. It's native screen resolution downscaled in full HD, and I'm so anxious to see how it will perform, especially on the stream and the recording. So right now the game is sitting at 40 FPS, not bad. And let's try to walk around and then try to sprint a bit to run outside the city. The thing is that I want to know more about how it performs on the recording and streaming, because the other day I didn't have any issues while in game and stress testing, etc. But it was absolutely poop storm on the recording and stream, because it was like watching photographs on pause or something. So hopefully this one will be better suited to this system. And then I'm not sure, maybe I will need to do some more stress testing with perhaps 30 FPS in this resolution, but that remains to be seen. If this will go well, I will not do it, because this means that someone who likes to play and stream games on this computer with this Linux distribution, and moving forward with the other Linux distributions, that they are able to do so in this either downscaled resolution Full HD 60 FPS or downscaled Full HD resolution 30 FPS. And this is what I'm trying to find for this Linux distribution, and what I'll try to find in the future. Worst case scenario, maybe they'll have to lower the whole resolution in order to use this as a gaming machine, so to speak. Not because it's a gaming machine, but because it's a low-cost machine, and not all people can afford, or many people, or most people can afford gaming computers nowadays. And anyway, let's now resume the testing by trying to load apps. We will start by the apps on the dock first. Let me check something. Yes, I was afraid that I did this. Sorry for this. Oh my god, hopefully you were watching the game, but doesn't matter, I will go back in the game again, so we will get there. So yeah, let's load the dock apps, the apps on the dock, if you prefer. They're mix of native apps. Let me put you back in the corner. Mix of native apps, flatpaks, etc. So it's a good test still. And then let's keep on going with the heavy duty apps, creative apps, so to speak, like GIMP, Kdenlive, Tenacity. And then I will also load DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, just because it's on the dock. And hopefully I will be still recording. Okay, let's go. This is interesting, so let's play back a little bit of the video. Let's skip ahead. No problem at all, it seems. Nice. So now I'll go back in the game. Boom. And no problem at all. Another workspace, another workspace, another workspace. Expose, sorry. Boom, boom, no problem. So let's load a few more apps, like, I don't know, Flat Seal maybe. And then maybe Parabolic. Let's do some Handbrake. Let's do Transmission. And then let's do Inkscape. Once again, the system performs amazingly. No lag, no stutters, nothing. Rock solid performance. Let's do Krita. Okay, let's create a new image, do some drawing. No lag, nothing. Amazing. Let's go back in the game now. Boom, boom. Nothing, no problem at all. This is fantastic. Another workspace, another workspace. And I forgot to show you my OBS settings, so let me show you this before I will continue the test. Video, downscaled Full HD 60 FPS. Using hardware encoders, FMPEG AAC for the audio, FMPEG VAPI H264 for the video, 16,000 bitrate, and MKV for the file. And let's go back to another workspace. And let's keep on loading a few more apps, like, I don't know, like LibreOffice Writer. How about this? This is a test, like this. Let's change the font to Amiga. Let's put size 26. Oops, not 265. Please, have mercy, 26. But yeah, no problem. This is another test, like nothing. Go back to another workspace, inside the game to be precise. Nothing. No problem. This is fantastic. Hopefully the stream and the recording goes well. Absolutely fantastic. Just like the other day, it doesn't have any slowdowns in the system, no matter what I'm doing. Let me try Gwen View. Let's open the desktop pictures. Plenty of high resolution images. Let's these are all 4K images right now. As you can see, no problem at all jumping between them. Like this, nothing. And then let's try and go in. Yeah, and this is scrolling between almost 1350 high resolution images, no problem at all. And then let's go and try back at the start. Yeah, absolutely nothing, at least on the computer side. On the user, me as a user, I have no issues with this. Let's go back into the game again. Nothing. Oh my Gandalf. If this stream is working properly right now, the recording is working properly, this is a win. Hopefully it does. So right now I think I will terminate this test. I will hide my browser, and then I will close all the apps via shortcuts. Absolutely monster. Yeah, it's the performance is insane. So let's go back into the game. Nothing. Fantastic. Anyway, I will exit the game now. Sorry again. The plumbing is not working properly today in me. Anyway, this is insane again. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Truly a fantastic experience. Hopefully the recording and the stream are better today. I hope they are better today. I will see just like you after the fact, and amend it for the people that will be watching the YouTube video, of course. And then yeah, if this will not work, then I will go at 30 FPS in full HD, and hopefully this will be the golden ticket, so to speak. But other than that, if you are not streaming recording, this little system is amazing, I'm telling you. And Rocky Linux 10.2 has nothing to be ashamed of compared to the other modern rolling distributions or whatever, gaming distributions even. As far as this game concerned and all the apps, etc., no troubles at all doing it like a champion in multitasking. I mean, insane. You love to see it. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye. Oops.